Hey guys, I know I've been away for a while. Life got busy. There were responsibilities, challenges, and a lot happening behind the scenes. But now I'm back. And while I was searching for new video ideas, I noticed something interesting. There are thousands of videos teaching men how to make money, how to become successful, how to become stronger, how to improve themselves. But I couldn't find enough videos talking about something equally important: how we treat the women in our lives. And that's exactly what today's video is about. Whether it's your mother, your sister, your wife, your girlfriend, or someday, your daughter. The truth is, the world can be a difficult place for women. Many don't always feel safe. Many don't always feel understood. Many carry struggles we never fully see. And as men, we have an opportunity to make that better. Not through control, not through ego, but through respect, through kindness, through understanding, through being someone they can trust, someone who makes them feel valued, someone who makes them feel safe. Because real strength isn't about power. Real strength is about protecting, supporting, and respecting the people you care about. And if you're a young man watching this video right now, this conversation is for you. Because good men exist. Men who want to learn. Men who want to improve. Men who want to treat people better. So today, let's learn together. Let's talk about how to become the kind of man that every woman feels respected around. Let's get started.
Let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to be there for a woman you care about, but had absolutely no idea what to do? Maybe she was stressed. Maybe she was upset. Maybe she was on her period and not feeling like herself. And you stood there thinking, do I give advice? Do I stay quiet? Do I help? Am I making this worse? Most guys are never taught this stuff. We're taught how to work hard, how to compete, how to hide emotions. But nobody teaches us how to genuinely care for another human being. And that's why a lot of relationships struggle. Not because people don't love each other, but because they don't understand each other. Today, I want to share some lessons that can completely change the way you treat the women in your life. Whether it's your girlfriend, your wife, your sister, your mother, or your best friend. Because respect isn't complicated, but it does require intention. And one small change can make a bigger difference than you think. Let's get into it.
Lesson number 1. Listen before you try to fix. Most guys hear a problem and immediately go into solution mode. It's automatic. Someone says they're stressed. You start listing solutions. Someone says they're upset. You start explaining what they should do. But here's the thing. Sometimes people don't need solutions. They need understanding. Imagine this. You've had the worst day at school. Your teacher embarrassed you. Your grades weren't what you expected. Your friends ignored you. You come home and tell someone about it. Instead of listening, they immediately start giving advice. Feels frustrating, right? Because what you wanted first was someone to understand how you felt. The same applies here. Before trying to fix anything, listen. Really listen. Pay attention. Ask questions. Show that you're present. A simple, "that sounds really difficult," can mean more than a 10-minute lecture. And here's the crazy part. When people feel heard, they often find their own solution.
Lesson number 2. Respect isn't something you turn on and off. A lot of people think respect only matters during good times, when everyone's happy, when everything is going smoothly. But real respect shows up during disagreements. When you're angry, when you're frustrated, when you're stressed. Can you still speak kindly? Can you disagree without insulting? Can you communicate without trying to win? Because relationships aren't competitions. They're partnerships. The goal isn't to defeat the other person. The goal is to solve the problem together. And the strongest people aren't the loudest. They're the ones who stay respectful, even when emotions are high. That's maturity. And honestly, it's become...
Lesson number 3. Small acts matter more than grand gestures. Social media makes us think love is expensive. Luxury gifts.
huge surprises, fancy vacations. But in real life, the small things matter more. Checking if she got home safely, remembering something important she told you, sending a message before a big exam, helping when she's overwhelmed, bringing her favorite snack. These things seem tiny, but they communicate something powerful. I was thinking about you. And that's what people remember. Not just the big moments, the consistent little ones. Because trust is built in small moments, not giant events.
Lesson number 4. Learn what support actually looks like. Here's a mistake many people make. They give the support they would want, not the support the other person needs. Those aren't always the same thing. Maybe you want space when stressed. She might want conversation. Maybe you want advice. She might want comfort. Maybe you want silence. She might want reassurance. The key is simple. Ask. Literally ask. What would help right now? That one question can save so many misunderstandings, because nobody can read minds, and healthy relationships aren't built on guessing. They're built on communication.
Lesson number 5. Understanding periods makes you a better partner. Let's talk about something many guys avoid. Periods. For some women, periods are manageable. For others, they're genuinely difficult. There can be cramps, fatigue, mood changes, headaches, back pain, and sometimes all of those at once. Imagine having an important exam, a busy workday, or a stressful week, while also dealing with physical discomfort. Not exactly fun. Now, here's what support can look like. First, don't make jokes about it. Second, don't dismiss what she's feeling. Third, ask how you can help. Maybe she wants rest. Maybe she wants a snack. Maybe she wants a heating pad. Maybe she just wants patience. Every person is different. The goal isn't to become a medical expert. The goal is to be thoughtful. And sometimes the most supportive thing you can say is there anything you need? Simple, respectful, effective.
Lesson number 6. Pay attention to emotional labor. Here's something many people never think about. Often, women end up remembering everything. Birthdays, appointments, family plans, important dates, messages, events. And after a while, carrying all of that mental load becomes exhausting. So help. Set reminders. Remember important things. Take initiative. Don't wait to be told every single step. Responsibility is attractive, not because it's impressive, but because it shows partnership. Nobody wants to feel like they're handling everything alone. Lesson number 7. Encourage her goals. One of the greatest ways to care for someone is to support their growth. Celebrate her achievements. Encourage her ambitions. Be happy when she succeeds. This sounds obvious, but insecurity often gets in the way. Some people feel threatened when their partner grows. Don't be that person. Be the person who says, "You can do this. I'm proud of you. Keep going." Those words matter more than you realize, because confidence grows faster when someone believes in you.
Lesson number 8. Consistency beats intensity. A lot of relationships start strong. Everyone is attentive. Everyone is trying. Everyone is making an effort. Then over time, the effort disappears. The messages slow down. The kindness fades. The appreciation stops. And that's where problems begin. Because healthy relationships aren't built through occasional bursts of effort. They're built through consistency. Being kind on ordinary days. Being thoughtful on boring days. Showing respect even when nobody's watching. Consistency creates security. And security creates trust. Truth most people learn too late. The women in your life don't need perfection. Nobody does. They don't need someone who always says the right thing or always knows exactly what to do. They need someone willing to learn, someone willing to listen, someone willing to show up again and again. Because caring isn't about being perfect. It's about being present. And honestly, that changes everything. If you remember only 3 things from this video, remember these. Listen more than you speak. Respect even during disagreements. And support with empathy, especially during difficult times. Those 3 habits alone can transform the way you treat the women in your life. So here's your challenge. Today, send a thoughtful message. Ask how someone is doing. Listen without interrupting. Offer support without expecting anything in return. Start small, because great relationships aren't built in one day. They're built one respectful action at a time. And if you're serious about becoming a better person, a better friend, and a better partner, practice these habits starting tonight. Let's keep growing together.